Okay, here's an old elevator with Dewhurst.
Let me start. This is going to be the elevator at 266-268 King Street West in Toronto, Ontario. Look at this. Still here.
Oh.
Yes. It's a gated Otis Fensom.
With Dewhurst, but still very characteristic.
Yep. Alright. I'll let you shut the gate and the door. Go to 5.
Wow. Look at that.
We're on
Watch
5.
it level. You want to open this? It's beautiful.
There's a view down. Pony M series call button.
You can look down
You
there.
can see the pulleys up above. Let's head back down.
I want to see what happens if you press door close. Nothing. So you can kind of see out there as well, but this is more interesting.
Mm-hmm. This thing's pretty small.
Oh yeah.
I can't quite tell if it was manual or if it's always been a gated automatic. Still really cool though.
Yeah. Take another ride.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yep.
There we go.
I just needed to open and close it again. I'm gonna get a view out this way.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll see the counterweight as we go up. It's gonna be on this side or that side. There it is.
Oh,
Back
there
here.
it is. There's the counterweight.
Yeah, I think the machinery's original. They just replaced the controller and added the buttons.
Yeah. Alright, I'll open it this time.
Yep.
Or-
Yeah, it's not gonna go unless you open it and shut it.
Okay, that noise is so freaking annoying.
I agree, I hate it.
We're going to the ground. Oh. Oh. Makes one last close. Look at this. No. Don't do that, people. You can see the interlocks there, too. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even though it doesn't have the original fixtures, this is still easily one of my favorite elevators in Toronto.
Yeah. At least they still kept the character.
Mm-hmm. This is a very tasteful mod.
And one more floor to go.
here we are. Let you open it.
Oh, here it is. They got
We'll shut the gate.
Okay, actually, first I want to get a cab view.
Okay.
See, the character they kept, they got Dewhurst US 91 BB, but everything else, and you can look up there too.
Yeah, let me see that.
Sure. That's awesome.
That shine's annoying.
Yep, I agree.
Alright.
Okay, I'll close this part. There it goes. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed.